Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is Decor Art Empty Squeeze Writer Bottles. Now, what these bottles are for, and I mean they have multiple uses. Most people use these for art projects and things, and they keep paint in them. And you're able to, fill this with paint, and you take the cap off and squeeze out some artistic things that you want to, design and everything. Now, what I use them for is for water, and I spray, like if I'm doing like a clay project and I need to actually keep the clay moist, I'll spray a little of this on there, in certain areas just to keep it moist and soft. But most people use this for paint, and I have used this for paint myself, but most of the time I'm using it for just water. When you squeeze it out, it comes out very smooth and very precise. Okay, that's why it's kind of nice using this for art. It's almost like, you can fill these with different colors and everything. It's almost like having a marker. You would like put this, like say you have red in here, and then you could actually draw with it, and make different shapes, and, great for kids. If you have children that want to do some kind of artistic project, you could use these for exactly that. Make sure it's not a crazy thick paint, but kind of loose watercolors would be great for this, and you could do all kind of cool projects with these. Last time I used these for paint was about 8 months ago, and then I got another pack that I use for water, which is this one here. The one I use for paint, when you get these, 3 come in a pack. So I bought like 6 of them just for paint, and each one of them I have a different color in, and they work really, really well, as far as getting precise little lines and everything that you want. Like even if you're writing letters, like not like writing a letter to someone, but letters on your project, like you want to spell out something, in a special way or something like that. You can do that with these, and it works very, very good. And the hole in the top is very small in the tip there. So very thin, very precise lines you can draw with this little bottle. Now, I think, in my opinion, if you're using these for paints, that this is the perfect size. I've seen larger ones like that, and like these, and people are holding them like this, doing all kind of different things. And I don't see that as a way to control what you need to control when you're trying to do an art project. This, because you can hold it like this, almost like using a pen, it's the perfect size, in my opinion. It really, really, you can hold it with a nice grip and in a fashion that you could use for painting a project. Really, really good idea to have these. And they have this bottle that screws on very tight here, and you can get them on really easy. And it's made of a nice durable plastic that's very soft, so it doesn't take a whole lot of effort to squeeze them. When you squeeze them, they bounce right back because they are absolutely meant to be squeezed. They're meant that way. So a lot of you couldn't just take any bottle and make this, because a lot of bottles you squeeze it and it won't pop back. It'll take the shape of whatever the dent that you just made in there. It will stay. But these pop right back, when you squeeze them. They're meant to be squeezed. It's really, really a good arts and craft tool that you can use for painting or anything you really want to. I one time tried to use one of these, bought one brand new, and tried to use it for frosting on a cake because the lines would be so small because the hole is so tiny, but it was really hard to get. I mean, the frosting was just too thick. It came out, but I had to squeeze really hard, and I was like, my hands were shaking like that, you know, trying to get it out. So it made it kind of not really precise as I thought it would be, but it was a good idea to try it anyway. But these are great. These are really good. I've used them for a while, and they're good. They really are. Okay, well, we've been talking about the Decor Art Empty Squeeze Writer Bottles. Okay? Yeah, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.